Have you ever started your car and suddenly the check engine light pops up and the scanner shows P0340 Engine Code? It can be confusing and a little scary if you don't know what it means, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you what the P0340 code means, the most common causes, and how you can fix or reset it step by step. Make sure you watch until the end, because one small issue could save you from an expensive repair. First, what is the P0340 engine code? It means the car's computer is sending a signal to the camshaft position sensor, but it isn't getting the correct signal back from the sensor. In simple terms, the computer is trying to talk to the sensor, but the response it receives doesn't look right. Because of that, the system detects a problem and stores the P0340 code. Now let's talk about the most common symptoms this code appears. One of the first symptoms is the check engine light. The engine control module detects a problem with the camshaft position sensor circuit and turns on the check engine light to alert the driver. The next common symptoms is engine is hard to start. A faulty camshaft position sensor can make it difficult for the engine to start because the computer cannot determine the correct ignition and fuel timing. Third symptom, rough idle. The engine may idle roughly or unevenly due to incorrect timing signals affecting the combustion process. Next symptoms is poor acceleration. The vehicle may feel sluggish or hesitate during acceleration because the engine isn't receiving accurate camshaft position data. Fifth symptom, engine misfires. Incorrect camshaft timing information can cause one or more cylinders to misfire, resulting in rough engine operation and reduced performance. Now, let's talk about the most common reasons this code appears. Faulty camshaft position sensor. This is the most common cause. The sensor can wear out over time. Damaged wiring or connector, broken wires, corrosion, or loose connections can interrupt the sensor signal. Timing belt or timing chain problem. If the engine timing is off, the sensor readings become incorrect. Weak battery or charging system issue. Low voltage can cause sensor communication problems. Engine control module ECM issue. In rare cases, the engine computer itself may have a fault. To simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Method of the crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft position sensor is typically located on the lower front side of the engine. In most vehicles, it's mounted near the timing cover. Start by carefully removing the crankshaft position sensor from the engine. Once it's out, inspect it closely for signs of oil, dirt, or contamination caused by leaks from nearby engine components. Next, use a digital multimeter to perform a resistance test on the sensor. Before testing, check your vehicle's service manual or repair guide for the correct resistance specification, as the values can vary depending on the make and model. If the multimeter shows no resistance or an out-of-spec reading, the crankshaft position sensor is likely defective and should be replaced. Check for the old O-ring. Remove it if needed, then install the new sensor securely. Method B, the camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor is located in the valve cover near the top of the engine, or they can be located at the front or rear of the cylinder head. First, carefully remove the camshaft position sensor from the engine. Inspect the sensor for oil, dirt, or contamination caused by leaks from nearby engine components. Next, use a digital multimeter to test the sensor's resistance and compare the reading with the specification listed in your vehicle's service manual. If the sensor shows no reading or falls outside the recommended range, it is likely faulty and should be replaced. Check for the old O-ring. Remove it if needed, then install the new camshaft position sensor securely. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix the P0340 error code. After fixing the issue, use your OBD2 scanner to clear the code. Then drive the car for a few minutes to make sure the check engine light does not come back. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.